Hey Dad, I got an emergency here. I got this all over my hands and I do not know what to do. These little things are not working. Please help. Hey Dad, crisis averted. The neighbor actually brought these over. It's called Crocodile Cloth Power Scrub. Check this out. One side is textured for extra scrubbing power. I used that on my hands and it got that stuff right off. The other side is soft and I used it on my face. Plus, they're huge. Crocodile Cloth Power Scrub. Pretty cool, right?